Here we have Evernote versus Notion. Which one is a better option for you? Let's go over this and let's actually explain everything here and let's see which one should you actually choose for your everyday day-to-day use. Evernote. It's a small note-taking website. PDF annotations and document scanning are all best for in the category in that. All-in-one workspace, project management, collaboration, and customization for Notion. Notion sounds better. It sounds better, but let's go over it. Now, the platform availability, it's pretty much the same, I think. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Pricing plans. It's a lot cheaper than Evernote. I mean, obviously, but cheaper doesn't mean better, of course. That's just the thing about it. Cheaper doesn't mean always better. I mean, it is how it is. The G2 rating, I'm not quite sure what that means, but probably you do. It's 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's best rated. It's better rated on G2. The primary use is note-taking project management, basically what I've just said here. And the customization is very high, while on Evernote is very low and limited. But I'll still go with Evernote. I don't know why. It's just something that I've grown up using. The collaboration features, it's very robust. However, this is functional but limited. When you see functional, it means it's not good. It's not really good. The search functionality is good. However, here is excellent, so this makes no sense here. The document handling is really basic, while this is advanced, so we're starting to see why Evernote is probably better for you. Calendar integration. The feature-rich integrates with Google Calendar, manages tasks, projects, and meeting notes. However, integrates with more tools, creates events within Notes database. Again, definitely better. Task management. Highly flexible, customizable project views. Extensive projects. Well, here is really basic, but that's about that. The user experience is definitely going to be a drawback for a lot of people. See, let me show you Notion, complex user experience. While Evernote is completely simple and ideal for casual note takers. Now, I don't know what kind of term this is, but it probably exists. But user experience, take my word for here. Just go with Evernote. But if you're a student, Evernote is definitely better because you don't want to actually spend like 20 minutes in front of your computer learning how to use a platform. Or where is the thing? For example, that's the thing I hated about it, because all you got to do is sit in front of your computer and just work. You don't want to go find stuff or research stuff. That's not what you want to do. You want to research, but about a subject that you got. You want to do research about a program that you're using to write something or optimize yourself. That's not really how that goes. But yeah, Evernote, in my opinion, better. But